The next one is, which of the following statements consider is correct with reference to the social reform movements in India? Okay, so the Age of Consent Act of 1891, it made early consummation of child marriages legally punishable, means making or doing early child marriages. Consummation means early child marriages. Then the Widow Remarriage Act was opposed by all Indian reformers. Which of them is correct? So we are talking about reforms. So would the Widow Remarriage Act be rejected by all the reformers? Obviously not. It is not going to be rejected, but it is going to be accepted at that point of time. So B, second one is incorrect. And 1891, yes, if you are getting your girl or girl child married below the age of 10, you are legally punishable. So that is the idea that we can understand from this. So the answer here is only 1. Okay, that is A is correct. And B, so these are easy questions, guys. These are easy questions.